Hello friends, today we are going to start practical number 16 for computer graphics as program to draw a Koch curve or Bezier curve. From that we are going to see a Bezier curve as it is very much important for a theoretical exam. Bezier curve, we need to summarize first what is the need of curves because every object it is not like a line segment and a straight forward. It is maybe a curve shape. So Bezier curve is responsible to generate curves those are fit into the that particular object space. Let's see what is the basic purpose and significance of that practical for you as objects in a real world are not like geometric shapes, they might be like a curves. So in depth we need to see the what behaves the curves with the interpolation techniques. That practical follows POs, that is program outcomes, basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experience and practice, tools and communication as like previous one we have seen. Let's see first the Bezier curve. As for your practical, we are going to consider only Bezier curve. Bezier curve is a graphical application, and this curve requires 4 control points to do or to operate on the particular curves. So these 2 points are called as the control points. Why it is called as control points? Why it is called as the control points? Because C, B, A, and D were called as a control points, isn't it? This is a curve, remember, and to operate on that curve, we require 4 points, and that 4 points are called as a control point to that particular curve. So that curve has to be controlled using that 4 points, and that 4 points are called as the control points. Listen, these control points are D, A, B, and C. So how they are going to control that particular curve shape is shown in a figure. So if we draw that particular shape, draw that particular shape, draw that line. So controlling that shape using these much line segments. So additional points cannot be added means what? Only 4 points are used to draw a particular shape of a curve. We cannot extend Bezier curve, but we can take 4 more points and we can construct a second Bezier curve with attaching to that particular curve. Means we cannot extend fifth point to control that particular curve. Only 4 points are required to control that particular curve. And if we want to extend that curve, we need to extend from D point or A point. But after extending that curve, we need to add again 4 control points to handle that particular curve. That is the basic meaning of a Bezier curve. So let's see the Bezier curve through the program. Remember this part is a generally summarization part. We need to go through the statements and the conceptual part. We can say a conceptual part we need to summarize. Let's see the start of a program execution from main function, and main function is here, and main function is a user defined function, and every C program starts their execution from the main. So we require 4 control points. That's why x4 and y4 be the points. Then this is required part in a further program. Enter x and y coordinates of a 4 control point. So we are going to enter 4 control points, and according to the value of these 4 control points, we need to draw a curve. Okay, so let's see. So 4 control points will be operated for 4 values. That's why I0 to I4. Why it is 4 values? Because there are 4 control points and we need to operate these points. Next is what? Scanf. So we need to read these points through the user, that is x0 y0, then x1 y1, then x2 y2, then x3 y3. Likewise, we need to read 8 points, we can say, using that particular terminology. 4 for x and 4 for y. Okay, so combination of these two is nothing but 8 points. So after